SGMT stock is up around, let's get it, it's up around 104.93% as we count down to the end of this regular session. That is the session of today, the 22nd of January 2024. Sorry about that. I think the reason behind this rally is that the company indicated that or reported positive top line data from a phase 2B trial of denifanstat to treat non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. So yes, that's what is behind this rally. And we can see a couple of upper projections. We have on this 1 minute chart $22.39. Below that we have 20.55. Below that we have 19.93. It didn't reach this sort of levels. The highest it ever got, I want to believe, in this regular pre-market, in this regular session, was around $19 or there, about 19.07. The extrapolation on this 1 minute chart is saying that it should be trading at a greater discount than what it is trading at right now. But this is a 1 minute chart, and let's just have a look at the 5 minute chart and see. Yeah, this is the peak of this session. This is the peak of this rally. I want to believe $19 and some fraction. Roughly 19.16. So on this 5 minute chart we have upper projections that go all the way to 21.05. I think if I have to look at other things, you can see here there's an upgrade. That is as an upgrade or whatever it is. Price target set to $47. From $41 from GMP Securities. So that's a huge, I would say, a huge 100% premium from where it is right now. A huge, more than 100% premium from where it is right now. Okay, let's get down to its daily chart, the 1 day chart. So here we have the algos are not calculating. They have not calculated anything else. They've not calculated anything else. I want to believe I can't really say that I knew what it was before now, but it is trading above all of its Fibonacci projections in this on its daily chart. So the probability of it pulling back, the probability of it retracing below 17.05, which is a Fibonacci projection. Well, no, turns out to be a downward one. 17.05. That probability will be, let's see what we can calculate. 17.05. Let's see. $17.05. That will be 17.05 subtracted from let's see, we'll have to find a moving average we're going to use. Okay, the moving average we're going to use will be okay, where standard deviation is 20, so we're going to use the 20-day moving average, which is as things stand right now. The 20-day moving average is of $6.53. So it's going to look really interesting. $6.53 is the moving average. So we are going to use the figure we have, the probability of it retracing below 16.97. I think this algo is this Fibonacci projection maybe, okay, 17.05. It's okay, still the same thing. Let's see, 17.05 minus 6.52. I want to believe that's figure 16.52. Yeah, 6.52 rather, minus 6.52 will give us 10.53, and then we divide that by the let's get it, the standard deviation. The standard deviation currently stands at let's see, 2.7. 2.76. We have 3.8152. Can we find that on 3.8152? Okay, let's see. Let's use a Z table and find out what that probability is. Let's get that figure again. 3.8152, so 3.8. Luckily we have that, so this will be 3.8, 99.99%. That's what it's indicating. 3.81, 99.99%, the probability that it will retrace. That is what we are looking at right now. Statistically, it's likely to retrace below 17.05, at least in the next 20 trading sessions. So let's quickly move on to DWAC. So yes, it's also up around, let's get it, it's up around 86.73%. All of these is on the news that or rather it's began to do so after Ron DeSantis exited the presidential race, putting Trump very close to the Republican nomination. Yeah, that is what we are looking at right now. The stock has blown past all of its Fibonacci projections, and we don't have anything there, so we have to go all the way back to its 1 minute chart to see a much more active projections, much more that are projections that have been calculating things, unlike what we have on that daily chart. We have $50.08 on this. It has already surpassed that. $50.08. Let's see whether we can see anything higher than that on the 3 minute chart. On the 3 minute chart, we have, yes, we have $51.23, but indeed there are downward projections and they go all the way down to 41.08 on this 3 minute chart. So we have once again 51.23 on the 3 minute chart. Let's see, 51.23, one of the many projections we have. And then let's get to the 5 minutes and see. We have let's see what we have here. We have 52.33. There are indeed also downward projections. The closest to it is 48.44. Okay, we can actually see whether we can determine this probability of it dropping below 48.44. Let's see, 48.44. You subtract that by okay, 44. I think we're going to use the current price right now. We're going to use this current price, and okay, we're going to use 48.44, the probability of that happening. So we use that against standard deviation of 1.21, and also with 20-day moving average of 46.37. Yes, we can just quickly work on that and see what we have, what we're going to get. Let's see, 48.44 minus 46.37 divided by 1.21. We have 1.71. 1.71. What's the probability of that? 1.71. We have it here, 1.71. Okay, this is 0 and 1. So probability of it retracing below 48.44 is also very high, 95.64. That's the probability of it doing that, 95.64. Yeah, interesting. So can we just quickly move on and see what we have on the 15-minute chart? 15-minute chart. We have no, it has exceeded all of its upper projections. Maybe that might be the same. That might be the theme as we move higher in intervals. I think that's the same. We might not see anything. I think we're just going to stick with this projections 51.23 and 52.33 for digital world acquisition. So let's quickly move on to Rumble. Rumble also associated with Trump, and it's a conservative platform, I want to believe. Yes, associated with Trump. So it's the company announced a partnership with Barstool. Let's see whether we can get any news. We have to go back to the 1-minute chart and see what the news is saying there. We're counting down to the close. We have around 3 minutes and some fraction. 3 minutes and some seconds. Let's see what we have. It's partnered with entertainment brand Barstool Sports, giving its users access to Barstool Sports content through Rumble video platform. Rumble shares jumped 26%. Okay, that's coincidentally as well. Ron DeSantis has exited the race for Trump. Okay. Yeah, let's see what we have here. This is the 1-minute chart for Rumble. Projections go all the way towards, let's see, the first project on this 1-minute chart is 4.89. The one above that is 4.93. The one above that is 4.97. After that we have 5.02. After that we have 5.09, and then the last one is 5.29. Okay, let's see what we have on the 3-minute chart. 5.29 is the highest we have for Rumble. 5.29. Okay, we have projections. We have 4.97 and 5.27, pretty much the same, but there are indeed also downward projections. They go all the way down to $4.19. 4.19. This is the 3-minute chart. Let's look at the 5-minute chart and see. 5-minute chart. Okay, so there's an upper projection there, which is $5.03. Downward projections go all the way down to 3.94. Okay, let's look at the 30-minute chart and see. 30-minute chart. Okay, we have projections there as well. Upper projection of 4.98. Okay, they're looking, it seems the projections are beginning to look modest. Okay, let's look at on this daily chart. Nothing further has been calculated, I want to believe. And then we have it's just right on its one of its most upper projection, which is $4.9. Extrapolation is saying that even with all of this news, it's supposed to be trading at 6.14, and it's supposed to also continue to show strength in the coming session up till sometime in early February. Should expected to reach statistically expected to reach $6.86. So Rumble on the move. SGMT equally on the move on the news of its top line data from a phase 2B trial of denifanstat to treat non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, and then digital world acquisition showing strength after Ron DeSantis exited the presidential race, putting Trump very close to the Republican nomination. And Rumble announced partnership with Barstool. So see what you make of these stocks.